Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of the Xbox game bar from your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in PowerShell. Best result should go back of Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Hit Enter to run this command. And once you have a blinking cursor at the end here, go ahead and close out of here, restart your device, and that should honestly be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.